Think whether you are living or just selling yourself every day in a salary of 30,000 or 50,000. A system taught you to study, do a job, pay EMIs and get a little freedom at the age of 65. But was your dream so small? Were you born just to pay bills? In this video, you'll know about that fast lane which will give you the speed of freedom, not money. A path which can take you to crores in the next 4 years, not after 40 years. But keep in mind, this is not easy. This is not for common people. This is for that person who's ready to change his status. Every year passes waiting for promotion. Every month passes paying EMIs. And one day, life also passes waiting. What happened to your dreams? That Europe trip, that business, that house where sunlight comes through the window, were they only for Instagram reels? In this video, we will talk about that path which very few people choose. But those people become rich fast. Now is the time to break the lie that says that money comes slowly, or that you have to wait till the age of 65. The truth is that if you have fire inside you, then in the next 4 years you can achieve everything that people do not get in their entire life. If your dream is not to become a millionaire at the age of 65, but to become a millionaire in your youth, then do not miss this video, because this video can become the turning point of your life. So, let's start. Chapter 1. The Great Deception. If you work 9 hours a day and still ask for a loan at the end of the month, then perhaps you are selling your dreams. When you work, do it for purpose and not for the paycheck. And when the time to die comes, do not regret it. Just have a smile. Yes, I really lived. If this video has lit a fire in your heart, then do not let that fire die. Get out of the slow lane and lay the first brick of the fast lane. Do not run for money. Build a system that does not give you the need to run. Live a rich, not just die rich. Because in the end, the biggest luxury of life is freedom. From job to system and from system to self-made freedom. This is the Millionaire Fastlane. If you want to buy this book, then the link of this book will be found in the description. So like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because the next video is not just content. It will be the first chapter of your new story. If this video has changed your thinking, then this video will change your wealth, which is visible on your screen right now. Click on it now and watch it right now. I will meet you in this video. Thanks for watching.